God. How do I work this thing? Wait, hold on. I have to fix my camera. Wait, it's almost done. Okay. What do I say for the intro? Yo, what's going on, gamers? Well, it's been a while since I made a vlog, so I'm going on a trip today with my beautiful girlfriend. You're not in focus. Okay, with my beautiful girlfriend.
Hi.
All right, we're going on a trip. Is that a good one?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah? All right, we're going on a trip. How do I start the car?
You have to press brake.
Push to start? Push it. What? You're fancy.
Starting route to Niagara Falls.
All right, we decided to get food now. We're only like an hour into the trip, but we're getting food again. It's for the second time. Mostly my fault. I can't stop eating. What if it turns out you didn't book us a room?
Imagine.
That is so funny. We finally made it. It is 9 o'clock exactly. It took us 7 hours. Actually, that's not bad. It's supposed to take us 6 hours, but we stopped about probably literally 5 times. It got to the point where I stopped recording it because I was like, the whole vlog is just gonna be us at rest stops and like getting gas and like getting food and her peeing and just
Peeing.
yeah. But we're in the parking lot now, so we're gonna go check in and see you guys in the room. There we go. 519. Hey, no one come to our room, okay? We're staying in the La Quinceañera at the Niagara Falls. Room 519. Don't come to our room.
Aww.
There we go. All right, look at that. Wow.
Cute.
All right, so 7-ish hours of travel later, finally made it. Bedtime. We'll see. All right, time to bend an elbow. Basta uma disquis. Whoa! All right, it's Shanzi's birthday stream right now. He's streaming, DJing. Me and Issa are gonna take a shot with him. It's also Issa's birthday. I don't know if I mentioned that yet on the vlog. Did I? No? You've been keeping track? All right, here we go. Here we go. Shot. Let's go. Shot. Everybody! All right, we're like 20 minutes away from the actual falls. We're gonna get some breakfast and then we're gonna head over and we just have to wait in line for forever apparently. And then we're gonna do that. So let's do it. So hungry.
I am.
What do you think?
Yummy.
You happy now?
Yeah.
Oh, we just got to Niagara Falls. We just parked. We have to go through this whole process of getting tickets for like the different events throughout the day.
We should hurry up.
All right, we gotta hurry up. Now we wait in line forever. Okay, bye. All right, so we got this crazy package, the biggest package they got. We go on a boat tour and a walking tour and a driving tour, and we're doing all the tours, and we're gonna learn all about Niagara Falls. Right?
Yes.
We're on the tour now, switching over to the phone for optimal portability. We made it. This is the line to get into the Niagara Falls. Even though we bought $200 worth of tickets to do this, we still seemingly have to wait 2 hours to get on our first boat ride. Crikey! We're right in the belly of the beast now!
These are classified as class 5 rapids. There are no boats allowed to come through here. It's too dangerous. Last time they had tried to do something like that was back in the 80s.
We're now driving around Goat Island. It's called Goat Island because there was a goat on it once. At least that's what Team Scott. That's what Scott, our tour guide, said. So we're on Goat Island right now. Because there was a goat on it once. think we somehow passed Goat Island, and I don't think we're on Goat Island anymore. That's the island that there was a goat on once. And now we're on Three Sisters Island or something. And I guess there was 3 sisters on it once. I don't know. I don't really know. I don't know where we're at right now. But we're walking around. It's really nice. Scenic. Peaceful. Oh man. We're at the Niagara Falls. Look. Look, the Niagara Falls.
That makes awesome.
They look bigger in pictures. Leaving Three Sisters Island. I think we're leaving Goat Island, and I think we're going on like a cave tour or something. I don't know what we're doing anymore. Scott's just taking us places.
Alright, Suspect 432, come on over. Must be wearing face coverings and please maintain social distance with anyone not in the group.
Yeah, it's pretty wet. Pretty wet. Oh my god. Everything is soaked.
Don't forget to tip, it's always greatly appreciated.
Leaving Goat Island now. Oh, just got back to the car now. It's time to change. I'm soaked. Alright, back on the vlogging camera. We have a little bit of time to kill until the last activity of the day before we head back. There's some sort of light show with the falls where they shine lights on the water. So, I don't know. We're just gonna hang out and see what happens, I guess. We look like real tourists now.
Gang, gang.
Sausage! Welcome to Niagara Falls at night. Alright, we're heading back to the car now. We did the light show. As you guys saw, it was pretty cool. We did the light show. Now we're on our way home. Oh yeah. Woo. Long day. We've experienced all that Niagara Falls has to offer. Not all of it, actually. I would like to do a helicopter tour someday, but we're poor, so. What'd you think? Boring.
No, it was cool. A long day, but cool.
Long day. We're gonna go back to the hotel and go to bed. excited for
Fireball!
Oh, the difference some dry clothes can make.
Yeah.
Crazy. Time to hang out and have some fun.
Sure.
That's not funny. That's not funny.
I think that's the funniest thing I've ever said.
Good morning, sunshine. Okay, time to walk. No, wait, not walk home. Time to go home now. Back in the car. We're about to go home. Next stop, Pennsylvania. Right? No stops. Yeah, we're gonna stop like 10 times. I'm so tired. It was a good trip though.